Every drop of petrol begins its journey. Geologists search for hidden reservoirs. They send controlled vibrations into the ground. Powerful vibrations travel deep. Sensors record returning waves. Engineers create three-dimensional maps. They locate crude oil reservoirs. Engineers prepare the drilling and as everything is ready. Once everything is ready, begins its long journey. The drill reaches target depth. Steel casing pipes are lowered to prevent collapse. Cement is pumped around the casing to seal it. After the well is safely completed, engineers perform a production test to measure pressure, flow rate, and oil quality. The results confirm a productive reservoir. Once testing is complete, a permanent wellhead, known as the Christmas tree, is installed to safely control production. The separated crude oil is stored temporarily before being collected at a central gathering station. Powerful pumps then send it through long distance. After arriving at the refinery, every batch of crude oil is carefully tested to ensure its quality. The crude oil then enters a desalting unit, where the purified crude oil is heated to nearly 360 degrees Celsius inside a massive refinery furnace. As it enters inside the tower, crude oil separates. LPG rises to the top, followed by naphtha, kerosene, and diesel. The heaviest oil continues to the refinery sends it to a vacuum unit. Reduced pressure lowers temperatures, avoiding damage. This recovers gas oil, lubricant feedstocks. Heavy vacuum gas oil is now transformed inside the fluid catalytic cracking unit. At extremely high temperatures, a special catalyst breaks. The gasoline components are first purified in a hydrotreater, where hydrogen removes sulfur and other unwanted impurities. At the same time, after advanced refining, the fuel enters the blending stage. Precise components and additives create high-quality petrol and diesel. Every batch, once approved, the finished petrol and diesel are loaded into specialized fuel tanker trucks. The fuel travels hundreds of kilometers through an extensive network. After an extraordinary journey from deep beneath the Earth's surface, through advanced refining and nation oil is finally transformed.